Would you believe it if I told you there's a quick and easy way to earn $25? Yes, there is, and you don't actually need to do a lot of things because I made sure this is very easy to do, especially for those who just started with doing online work. The best thing about this is that you don't need to invest on anything because this is totally free and you can literally do this from anywhere in the world. Yes, you heard that right. Wherever you are right now, you can earn from this brand new strategy that I'll show you in today's video. Everyone who's tried using this strategy has earned a lot of money already, and I want that to happen to you as well. That is why I highly recommend for you to watch this video all the way until the end so that you'll know how to do it. And you don't need to worry because I'll guide you through every step of the way. And I'll be showing you later a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this strategy properly and earn a lot of money from it. As always, I'll also be giving you some exclusive bonus tips that will help you double or even triple your earnings, so you better watch out for that later. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll try to make this video short so that you can make money right away. So the first step, all you need to do is go to this website called Pexels.com. For those of you who are new to my channel, this is a website where you can download copyright-free images. Pexels is a free stock photo and video website and app that helps designers, bloggers, and everyone who is looking for visuals to find great photos and videos that can be downloaded and used for free. If you see a photo or video that you like, simply download it for free on Pexels. Now what I want you to do is search for black and white photos. You can do that by clicking the search box and then typing black and white photo, and then hit enter. When you try to scroll down below, you can see that they have a lot of free black and white photos which you can download. We'll be using these photos later on in order to make money online, and I'll show you how to do it, so you better keep on watching. Okay, the next thing to do is to go to this website called Colorize.com. I don't talk much about this website in my videos, but basically, Colorize is a tool where you can turn your black and white photos to colored photos with the use of their AI. Colorize.com is an AI-powered photo colorizer that simplifies the whole process of colorize jobs. With Colorize.com, you can colorize old photos 100% automatically. Powered by AI technology and deep learning, the AI photo colorizer allows you to colorize black and white photos, yellowish or gray images in seconds. It's actually very easy to use this tool. As you can see here, you only need 3 steps to colorize a photo using this app. You first need to prepare your digital black and white photo, then you need to upload that photo, and lastly, you can download the colorized photo for free. That's pretty awesome, right? I'll now show you how to use this tool because we will be using this later on to earn some money. Okay, when you go to the homepage of this website, you'll be able to see this box where you can upload your photo. Click on that and then choose the black and white photo that you want to colorize. You can download some photos on Pexels, then upload them here. After uploading your photo, it will take a few seconds for their AI to colorize your photo, and then you now have a fully colored photo from this black and white photo. As mentioned earlier, you can download this photo for free. Simply click on this download button in order to download the colorized photo on your computer. You can also do this using your mobile phone, so even if you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can still use this AI tool. Now let's try to colorize another photo. You basically have to do the same thing like what you did earlier. Click on this upload button and then choose your photo. Wait for a few seconds and now you have a fully colorized photo which you can download for absolutely free. You can basically colorize a lot of photos if you want to. Later on, I'll show you where you can make money by using this free tool, so you better keep on watching and please don't skip any parts because I'll have another website which I want to share with you that you can also use in order to make money. Now, not a lot of people are talking about the websites that I'm sharing with you on my videos, so you are very lucky to be watching this right now. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Another website that I want to show you today is called Remove.bg. This is another tool which you can use to remove backgrounds 100% automatically in 5 seconds with 0 clicks. There are approximately 20 million more interesting activities than removing backgrounds by hand. Thanks to Remove.bg's clever AI, you can slash editing time and have more fun. As you can see here, this is an example of a photo with the background removed using this free tool. When I try to slide this button, you can see the photo with a background, and when I slide it to the opposite side, you can now see the photo without a background. And all of that is done using their advanced AI tool. The best thing about this is that it's 100% free. Yes, you heard that right, you can use this AI tool for free, and you can also use this later on to make money online. And I'll show you how to do exactly that in just a moment. Before I show you how to make money using this website and the previous one, let's first test how this tool works. So on their homepage, you can see here that you can upload a photo or simply drag and drop a photo on this box. I'll try to use this photo as an example. As you can see, in just a matter of seconds, they removed the background from this photo. And as you can see here, you can download this photo for free. Simply click on either of these two. If you want to download it with a higher resolution, you can simply click here, and that will now be downloaded straight to your computer. Again, you can also do this on your mobile phone, so you don't need to worry if you don't have a computer or a laptop, because you can also use this with your phone. Now I'll show you some websites where you can earn some money simply by using these two apps which I've mentioned earlier. The first website is called Fiverr.com. I know a lot of you are already familiar with this website, but for those who are new, this is an online platform for freelance services. This is where freelancers can offer their services to customers worldwide. What you need to do here is go to the search box and type in colorized photo and hit the search button. After doing that, you will now see all the people who are selling this type of service. As you can see, the payment ranges from $5 up to $25, and all they do is colorize photos. Using the website which I've mentioned earlier, you can also do this type of work, and you don't need to break a sweat to do that because everything is done automatically with the use of Colorize.com. You can simply upload a black and white photo, and then the AI tool for Colorize.com will do all the work for you. That's amazing, right? Now, in order to earn money from Fiverr, you first need to create an account, and in order to do that, you can simply click on Become a Seller right here. Then you'll need to come over to this page where you can sign up as a seller for 100% free. All you need to do is fill in the needed information, and then click here to continue. After doing that, you can now start selling your services on Fiverr. The next website where you can also sell services is over at peopleperhour.com. Just like Fiverr, all you need to do is search for background removal, and then you'll be able to see all of these people who are selling their service. The payment for this type of skill is somewhere from $10 all the way up to $35. That's a lot of money that you can earn by simply removing backgrounds, and you do not need to do a lot since you can just use remove.bg to remove backgrounds from photos. To start selling your services on peopleperhour.com, you first need to sign up for a free account. And to do that, simply click on this one on top, and then you'll come over to this page. Make sure you click on I want to work as a freelancer, and then provide the needed details right here. Now that you have your accounts on Fiverr and People Per Hour, you can already start selling your services on these websites. So if you want to colorize black and white photos, you can use Colorize.com. And if you want to remove the background from a photo, you can use remove.bg. You can do this again and again until you have your desired income. And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.